Hey everybody, let's rewind to the golden age of home computing, the era of the MOS 6510. This little 8-bit CPU was the heart and soul of the legendary Commodore 64, a machine that brought gaming and programming to millions. It was a time of pixelated graphics, synthesized soundtracks, and pure, unadulterated computing joy. Remember those late-night coding sessions trying to squeeze every last byte out of the C64's memory? Good times. The MOS 6510 was a workhorse, powering countless classic games and applications. From Donkey Kong to the Bard's Tale, this chip defined a generation of gaming. But it wasn't just about games. The C64 was a versatile machine used for everything from word processing to music composition. It was a true testament to the power of 8-bit technology. But what if we could take this iconic processor and catapult it into the future? What if we could give it a 64-bit upgrade, unlocking a level of performance that was unimaginable back in the 80s? That's exactly what we're going to explore in this epic tech adventure. Get ready to dive into the world of retro computing with a modern twist as we transform the MOS 6510 into a 64-bit beast. Now you might be asking yourself, why mess with perfection? Why not leave the MOS 6510 in its 8-bit glory? Well, here at Current Flow, we're all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We love taking classic tech and giving it a modern makeover. And what better candidate than the iconic MOS 6510? Imagine running modern applications, playing high-definition videos, and experiencing the latest games, all on a system powered by a souped-up MOS 6510. That's the dream, people. It's about blending the nostalgia of retro computing with the power and versatility of modern technology. Upgrading to a 64-bit architecture would mean a massive increase in processing power. We're talking about handling gigabytes of data, running complex calculations, and unlocking a whole new world of possibilities for retro enthusiasts and developers alike. It's about breathing new life into a beloved classic and showing the world that retro computing is far from dead. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Transforming the MOS 6510 into a 64-bit powerhouse is no small feat. It involves a delicate dance of hardware hacking, emulation wizardry, and a whole lot of caffeine-fueled coding sessions. We're talking about reverse engineering the original chip's architecture, understanding its every quirk and limitation, and then finding ingenious ways to expand its capabilities beyond its wildest dreams. One of the biggest challenges is overcoming the limitations of the original MOS 6510's instruction set. We're talking about a processor designed to work with 8 bits of data at a time. To achieve 64-bit processing, we need to find creative ways to extend those instructions, allowing the CPU to handle larger chunks of data with each clock cycle. This involves designing custom hardware to interface with the original CPU, essentially acting as a bridge between the 8-bit world and the 64-bit realm. We're talking about creating a symphony of circuits and logic gates that can translate, process, and execute instructions in a way that the MOS 6510 could have only dreamed of. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with retro hardware and proving that with enough ingenuity, anything is possible. Section 4, Pixel, Perfect, GLSL graphics and 1080p glory. Now let's talk visuals. No retro computing experience is complete without those iconic pixelated graphics, but who says we can't have our pixels and high definition too? With our 64-bit MOS 6510, we can harness the power of modern graphics technologies like GLSL or OpenGL shading language to render stunning visuals at resolutions that would make the original C64 blush. GLSL allows us to program the graphics pipeline directly, giving us unprecedented control over how pixels are rendered. We can create complex shaders that simulate the look and feel of classic CRT monitors, complete with scan lines and phosphor glow, all while enjoying the clarity and sharpness of 1080p resolution. Imagine playing Maniac Mansion or Zack McCracken with beautifully upscaled graphics, smooth animations, and vibrant colors that pop off the screen. It's about preserving the charm of retro gaming while enhancing the visual experience for a modern audience. Section 5, DVD dreams. Spinning discs on a retro rocket. Remember DVDs? Those shiny discs that used to hold entire movies? Well, with our 64-bit MOS 6510, we can relive the glory days of DVD playback, all on a system powered by a chip designed decades before DVDs even existed. This is where the true power of emulation comes into play. By creating a virtual environment that mimics the functionality of a DVD player, we can trick our souped-up MOS 6510 into decoding and playing back DVD video streams. This involves writing custom software that can handle the complex MPEG-2 decoding process, all while keeping the CPU running smoothly. It's a testament to the ingenuity of the emulation community and the sheer power of software to bridge the gap between vintage hardware and modern media formats. So, pop in your favorite DVD, sit back, and enjoy a cinematic experience unlike any other, all thanks to the magic of a 64-bit MOS 6510. Section 6. The past meets the future. Retro computing gets supercharged. So, there you have it. We've taken the iconic MOS 6510, a chip that defined a generation of computing, and catapulted it into the future with a 64-bit upgrade. We've explored the challenges, the triumphs, and the sheer awesomeness of blending retro technology with modern innovation. But this is just the beginning. The possibilities are endless when you combine the nostalgia of retro computing with the power and versatility of modern technology. It's about inspiring a new generation of tech enthusiasts, sparking their imaginations and showing them that the only limit is their own creativity. So, whether you're a seasoned retro gamer, a curious programmer, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of vintage tech, let's keep pushing the boundaries, keep experimenting, and keep the spirit of retro computing alive and thriving. Remember, the future is what we make it, and with a little ingenuity, we can achieve anything.